Good morning, everyone. This is As Mohammad Khan. I welcome you in today's segment. In our previous segment, student, we have discussed about the equation of motion. That how do we derive those equation of motion with the help of graphical representation. So we know about the equation of motion that there are the three equations of motion. First is V is equal to U plus AT. Second is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Third is 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. In today's segment, we will discuss about the numericals that are related to equation of motion. That how will we solve them? We will solve them with the help of trick, student, and about that trick I want to tell you. First, you read the question carefully and try to understand all the quantities that are given in the question, and you should write them. After writing, you know that which formula, you try to know that which formula may be applied in that to solve, and you write that formula. After writing the formula, you put all the quantities in that formula and try to find out the answer. So by using this trick, you can easily solve the numericals related to equation of motion. Like there is one question I have written on the whiteboard, and this question we will try to solve. What is it? A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired, distance traveled. So in this, there are the two quantities we will try to find out. First is the speed acquired, second is distance traveled. First, what we will do, we will write all the given. So what are the given quantities that are given? A bus starting from rest. A bus starting from rest or from the stationary position, then what will be its initial velocity, student? If the object starts from rest, then its initial velocity is 0. It is always 0, student. So you write here U is equal to 0 meter per second. Next is acceleration is given. Acceleration is directly given in this, and what is it? It is A, and it is 0.1 meter per second square. Time is also given in this, and what is the time that is given in this, student? It is 2 minutes. Time is given, and time is given in minute. So what you will do in this, you will convert it into second, student. And what time we will get here? 120 seconds. Now the quantities that is asked in the question, what is asked? That is written here, speed acquired. Speed acquired means final velocity. Final velocity we will try to find out. And with this, distance traveled we will try to find out. So for finding the final velocity, what we will use? We will use the first equation of motion. And what is it? V is equal to U plus AT. So with the help of this formula or this equation of motion, you can get the answer. Now you apply it. V is here. We will try to find out. V is not given. We will try the speed acquired. U, we have written here it is 0. So we will write here 0. Acceleration is also given here 0.1. Time is also given, it is 120. Now you will get the answer 120 upon 10 from this 0 this, and V will be 12 meter per second. So we will get the V means final velocity we will get, and what will be it? It will be 12 meter per second. Now the second thing that is asked in the question, it is distance traveled, and in distance traveled again we will use the equation of motion. And which equation of motion is most suitable to solve this question, student? Tell me. It is the second equation of motion. And what is the second equation of motion? It is S is equal to ut plus half at square. So you write it. Here you write. Here we will write S for solving the this is the first question solution, it is the second question, and S is equal to ut plus half at square. With the help of this formula we will get the answer. As we will try to find out, u was given in that, what is it? It is 0, and t is also was there, and what is it? It is 120 plus half. A is here 0.1 and t is here again 120. So these quantities are given and we have put them in the equation. Now what we will do, we will write this become 0, and this we will get here 1 upon 2, and it will become 1 upon 10, and it will become 120 into 120. Now you multiply it. From this 0 will be cut, and here we will get 120 into 6. So we will multiply it, and the answer that we will get, it is 12 6 72. So the answer will be 720 meter. This is the answer. So in this way we will try to solve the question related to equation of motion. Now we will solve the next question, student. So student, now we will try to solve the next question related to equation of motion. In this, a trolley while going down an inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeter per second square. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after start? So this is the question. Now we will try to know all the physical quantities and the condition of the trolley. So we will write here or given we can write. We will draw the inclined plane. This is the inclined plane, student. And on this there is one trolley. There is one trolley there. This is the trolley. Now it is moving down. It is moving down, student. Now when the object moves down at the starting, it has 0 initial velocity, student. So we can write here that the initial velocity is 0 and 0 centimeter per second. This we will write here. Because the acceleration is given in centimeter per second square, that's why we have written here 0 centimeter per second. Now we come on the next quantity. Plane has acceleration of 2 centimeter per second square. Acceleration is given, and what is it? It is 2 centimeter per second square. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after start? So time is also given. It is 3 seconds. And in this, we will try to find out what will be its velocity 3 seconds after start. So we will try to find out the final velocity. Final velocity we will try to find out. So these are the quantities that are given in the question. Now with the help of this, we will take the equation of motion. And which equation of motion we will take? We will take the first equation of motion because it is more suitable to solve this question. And what is the first equation of motion, student? It is V is equal to U plus AT. Now in this, we will put all these quantities. We will try to find out V means final velocity, and U is 0, and A is 2, and T is 3. This acceleration is 2, and time is 3 seconds. Now we will multiply 2 3 6, and the answer that we will get 6 centimeter per second. This is the answer. And in the answer, student, we should write the unit. Means if you don't write the unit with the answer or with the magnitude, then your marks may be deducted by the teacher. So what should you do? You should write always the SI unit with the magnitude, student. Like it is 6 centimeter per second. So in this way, we will try to solve, or you will try to solve all the numericals that are given in your book. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.